Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question, question 21. All are factors of production except dash A. Land, B. Labor, C. Market, and D. Capital. So we are asked to pick which is not a factor of production. Now, what are factors of production? Factors of production simply refers to what? Resources. They refer to resources that are the building blocks, and I believe you understand what building blocks means that the foundation. These are resources which serve as the foundation or as the building block of an economy, that is any economy at all, be it farming or any business activities. And like we know, agriculture is also a business activity. So factors of production are resources that are the building block of this agricultural business or activity. Now, these factors of production, we have four main factors of production. Number one is the land. Number two is the labor. Number three is capital. In essence, that's money. And then number four is entrepreneurship. So these are the four main factors of production. Now the question says we should pick that all are factors of production except that is one of these options is not a factor of production. A here says land, and like you can see, land is a factor of production. B here says labor. Yes, labor is a factor of production. C says market. No, market is not a factor of production. And this is capital, that is the money. Capital is factor of production. Now all this, you see that land must be available for agricultural progress. Likewise, the labor, both mechanized and unmechanized labor, has to be readily available. And also the capital, that is the money to start up this agricultural business, must also be available. So you see that all these are essential factors of production. But here, market is not a factor of production. So C is the correct answer to this question. Markets. C is the answer. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.